Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latoya Lewis and I am the blogger behind the website lifeoflaw.net. Thank you so much for taking the time out and watching today's video. Today's video is going to be really quick. It's my 5-minute makeup routine tutorial. It's going to be complete with these lashes. So if you're interested in learning how to do this really quick and get yourself out of the door, continue following this video. This look would be perfect for date night. I'm really feeling this little cute shirt right here with the red lip. I think it's perfect. You can just dress it up or dress it down with this particular makeup look itself right here. You can add a different lip to it. You can take the lashes off and just do eyeliner like I do most of the time, but you can mix and match it however you like to. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know if you plan on trying this weekend or another weekend in the future. And tell me what your favorite part is of the look overall. I'm really liking the lip right now. I don't really do red lips very much, so that's my favorite. Also, I will have everything linked down at the bottom, so if you have any questions about what products are used, you can go down there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at Ellie Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below, and until next time, be inspired.